Hello viewers, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss about economic models. Basically, economic models are the simplest version of the reality that allow us to observe, understand, and make prediction about economic behavior. The purpose of a model is to take a complex real world situations and pare it down to the essential. Basically, in economic models or economic models are called the abstract form. They are most the simplest form. They allow us to understand the reality. In case of economic models, there are two types of variable. One is called exogenous variable and the other one is called endogenous variable. Exogenous variables mean the independent variable, okay, in the independent variables, and endogenous mean the dependent variable. They are also called outside model variable, and dependent variable mean inside model variables. So in any economic model, there are two type of variable. One is called exogenous variable or the independent variable, and the other variables are called endogenous variable or the dependent variable. For example, here I am writing a model QD. Quantity demand is a function of price. So or we can write it as QD is equals to A minus BP in mathematical equation form. So basically here QD is the quantity demand, that is called the dependent variable, and P is the price level, that is called independent variable. So this is the simplest model of an economic that shows there are two type of variable. One is called dependent variable and the other one is called independent variable. And in economics we always write dependent variable on the left hand side of the equation, and we will write the independent variable on the right hand side of the equations.